Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, August 11th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And with just about 70 minutes to go prior to the opening, we've been pretty much languishing between yesterday's low and yesterday's value low. Obviously, we have the CPI coming out in about 10 minutes. We'll see if that becomes some sort of catalyst. All three of us, well, Qs are towards the lower end of there. Remember, triple Qs went out with a double distribution day and an outside day down. So keep that in mind. Russell couldn't get out of its own way. Right now they're in balance in value. As for SPY and ES, plain and simple, it's a 3-day balance, so we will play balance rules. If when that number comes out and nothing really changes and we're inside the balance, well, then again, balance rules will strictly apply. Look at these wide pots we've had for 5-6 days in a row. They are magnets. So they would continue to be magnets if we stay in this 3-day range. If, however, come 8:30, for whatever reason the market likes or dislikes this number and we gap lower, well, then you'd have 3 days worth of longs trapped. We'll see what would happen inside of the 5th. On the flip side, if we come above this 3-day balance, there's nothing above us. Maybe finally we get a bigger move. I said last night, buyers look exhausted. They need some fresh blood in there to continue this, or we are going to get some sort of pullback. You should have all the destinations. The only one I'll give you is the overnight. Right now, the overnight high is 442.68. The overnight low is 440.84. Again, game plan, balance rules. If we open inside, if we decide to gap higher or lower, you'll use gap rules. If we come out of the balance one way or the other and don't look back, I look for shorts on the downside, longs on the upside. And then on the chart, just going to show you again the daily. If you give me 1 second, and there it is. So it's a 3-day balance. Buyers need to get acceptance, keyword acceptance, above these 3 days and get more of a leg up. Sellers want to get acceptance below this 3-day balance, because if they do, we're firmly back in the 10-day balance, with the ultimate destinations being 2 weekly lows, which if they're able to take out, then and only then can they start concentrating on possibly stopping the one-time framing up in the monthly. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.